lots of extension. I will plug in my gateway as well.
Well, I didn't bring the cable for this one, it's just showcase. Okay, I don't have the password. The only problem is it's working. The only problem is it thinks it's 2 days in the past.
Sing a song for us.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, thank you everyone. So, again, my name is Krisha from the Philippines. I'm gonna take a picture. Because it's
No need a picture. Just listening.
It's a museum. It's a
Museum. Yeah. Welcome to the museum. Okay, so I think the biggest learning for RAK is we just use one page to reflect the whole company. So the one page, the first one is our positioning. So this is also I spoke to Crystal. Hey, this is where we are. So how we can very simple to reflect and let people to understand our positioning. So positioning in the marketing perspective is why customer use you, not use others. And which message you want your audience can always, when they talk about private network, they can remember it's RAKWIRELESS. That's the positioning. So if we have positioning, it's very also good for marketing because they can continue emphasize this message to the audience. And also what we offer is like this. So maybe later when we have break, you can just list here. So 6 million to prepare.
Lucky winners for the grand prize.
Ayala Triangle, the first time here for maybe 10 years, changed a lot. There is a huge building in front of us and they had a very big area here down with a lot of restaurants and supermarket, the marketplace. Surprise, surprise!
Yep, and it looks really nice.
Yep.
The only problem here is there is actually no smoking area.
Ah, grabe naman, walang Yosiko, no? like European sausage. Do you have Melbourne?
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.